Alright, Minecraft fans, I got a short video today. I've been working a lot on the refinery. So last time, you remember the oil tanker and the refinery here. And let's just clear our inventory. There we go. This is the new stuff. A automated cable factory and 3 auto farms and a new cactus processing plant. Let's check out the farms first. Well, the cactus farm is self-explanatory, same as usual, nothing special. The cactus are being picked up by obsidian pipes right there. And it comes up over there and are transported over to the correct facility. Then we have sugarcane farm. It's fully automated. Let's get some light. As you can see, we got 2 stores of sugarcane, all hooked up using Redpower 2. You saw that? I didn't do anything, it pushed them out automatically. We got 2 floors. And it's all set on a timer. Let's check it out. This is the timer. And there we go. It's set for 30 seconds, so the plant's got 30 seconds to grow. Then they get pushed down and 30 seconds to grow again. And you can turn the plant off here. Now nothing will happen. As you can see, the power will not transfer to this. Hopefully. Nope. But we're just leaving it on. And they are also sucked up, you can see them there, by obsidian pipes. There we go. The last one is a automated wheat farm. Read design, out of order. It's working, but it has to be maintained by a user. So this is how it works. Let's get a lever. At first there's this timer. It decides the green, dark green one is for water flow to harvest, and the light green is to resow or replant. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's replanting itself just fine, but for some reason it won't grow, probably. And I suspect it's because lack of sunlight. I even set the timer for 460 seconds, that's a long time. Anyway, let's just imagine that it turned the entire round now. I got these override switches, so let's get some light on. There we go. Water flow override, so it will just force water to flow through. And the water will push the seeds and wheat, hopefully, into this stream and are sucked up by this obsidian pipe. spare seeds go into here, but automatically half of it goes up here and are automatically put in the seeders. Anyway, I got a new design idea for this one. When the seeds are being sucked up by the obsidian pipes, they come up through here and down this way to the masts. Right now only cactus are being used, so it goes into this cactus silo. Just a bunch of chests with cactus in them. Right now the other two go into, well, one of them just go into a pool of lava until I get a factory for it. The cactus factory uses two resources. This is fuel, well, coal. Any burning fuel goes in this silo. And cactus, of course. Let's go into the factory. And as usual, you can control everything from here. First thing, cactus come up through this pipe when we enable production. Then you select whether you want it to export, then we'll put out cactus, normal cactus, or production, and it's default on production. Then you select you want green dye or waterproof piping. We want to make waterproof piping. There's some lights you can turn on and off out there in the silos. There's factory lights. And extraction pumps. These are special, you just turn them on and leave them on. As you can see, they're not running right now. Now they run, then they stop, then they run, then they stop. Yes. It's so they don't overheat. Now we need some fuel. It says 4 seconds, so we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need some cactus. It says 2, but we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And cactus and fuel are being pumped out of the chest. You can see them there. Cactus. So they should be passing through here any second. You can probably hear a timer. That is down here. We got a timer. That is for the pumps so they don't overheat. There's no reason they should run all the time. This one. If there's no production, why should it run? And the same with these. There we go. And when you leave it on eventually long enough, it will, there you can see, spit out some piping or cactus or dye, depending on what product you have set. We're just gonna leave it running or off. The other thing I would like to show you is the cableplant. These two brick buildings are the processing units. They build all types of cables. This building here is a relay, safety relay, to make sure the engines don't overheat and explode. So it will run for a time period and then stop. The control tower where you can turn everything on and off. And this is the storage facility with no light at the moment. And it's sorting out all of the wires by color, of course. So, and everything that's not matched in there just goes in this chest, as you can see. And when I'm done building something, I just go here and I drop my extra wires in this chest. It's being pumped out underground and over into the system and sorted over there. Let's go and see the tower. Tower lights. And this is basically just a production control. What you do is you simply flick the switch of what you want to produce. Let's say I want green wire and pink, and I also use some brown. Then we can look out the window and you can see the flashing. That's the relays starting and stopping the engines and making sure they don't overheat. If you can look there, you can see something moving. You see that? That's green being done. It's being moved out into the pipes and then ported over to the storage. There you can see, what's that? That's the brown one. Brown or green, can't tell. And oh, that's from the extra pack. There we go. And it's being sorted in there. I'm sure by the time I upload my next video, my wheat farm will be 100% automated, and I will have set up a bakery. But the real problem is the wheat won't grow. I can easily get it to reseed, harvest, till the soil if necessary, but I can't get it to grow in there. So my next experiment is going to be back there. I'm going to build a open air wheat farm, if that's possible. Thanks for watching, comment and rate.